Changing currency on Revolut is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, open the Revolut app and log into your account. Navigate to the dashboard and select the account you want to exchange currency from. Next, tap on the exchange icon, which is usually represented by two arrows. This will take you to the exchange screen where you can select the currency you want to exchange to. Choose the currency you need from the list of available options. You will then see the current exchange rate and the amount you will receive in the new currency. Make sure to review the exchange rate and any applicable fees before proceeding. Once you are happy with the exchange rate, enter the amount you want to exchange and tap Exchange Now. The exchange will be processed instantly and the new balance will be reflected in your account. It is also important to note that Revolut offers competitive exchange rates and low fees, making it a cost-effective way to exchange currency. Additionally, you can set up alerts to notify you when a specific exchange rate is reached, allowing you to get the best possible rate. To get the most out of Revolut, make sure to keep your app updated and take advantage of the various features and tools available, such as the currency converter and exchange rate tracker. By following these steps and using Revolut effectively, you can easily and efficiently change currency and manage your finances on the go. It is also worth noting that Revolut offers a range of account types, including personal and business accounts, each with its own set of features and benefits. Depending on your needs, you can choose the account that best suits you and take advantage of the various perks and benefits that come with it. Overall, changing currency on Revolut is a quick and easy process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following these steps and using the various features and tools available, you can efficiently manage your finances and get the most out of your Revolut account.